This one tool automates eBay feedback, right? So what you're going to do is log into your eBay account. You're going to go in the top left-hand corner, account settings. Once you're in account settings, you're going to scroll down to selling preferences. Click on that button. Once you're there, it's going to look something like this. And yes, there's an automated feedback button where you can automate the buyer feedback and automatically leave positive reviews. What you're going to do is click edit on there, and then you can see, if I turn this on, automatically leave positive feedback after the buyer has paid for the item. And then you can also have different automated feedback templates you want to send. Huge thank you, you're awesome, wow, happy so much, right? Click save, and you're done. Anytime somebody places an order and pays, the feedback is automatically applied and positive to the buyer. Now, as a buyer, when I'm about to leave positive feedback for a seller, I don't leave it unless they leave me positive feedback first. And if they forget, I forget, we're done, no positive feedback left. And you want to get as much positive feedback as possible. Specific, loving, caring, real positive feedback makes a difference compared to buyers' automated feedback, right? But this is great. And if you can edit the stored comments and make it seem real, this is going to help you in the long term on eBay. And that's pretty much it. Click save, good to go. And you can keep selling on your successful eBay journey. That's it for today's video. One more eBay videos. Tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. If you're an eBay seller, highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content. It's going to help you in your eBay journey. If you need anything with eBay, we're here to help. Contact EHP Consulting Group right in the description. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.